Hello, my name's Adam. I'm the owner of Vintique Motos. Today I'm going to be presenting this 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is an E-Code Thunderbird, I believe one of 1,449 produced for 57, just over 20,000, maybe 21,000 T-Birds for 57, so very rare example. This is a full frame-off restoration car, 235 miles on it since completion. Every nut and bolt was gone through, just a spectacular example. Beautifully finished in silver metallic, black leather interior, has a black dash, all leather. We have an I-Did-It steering column on this car. There's power rack steering, four-wheel disc brakes, some upgrades for drivability. With these vehicles you can get in and have a lot of fun with nowadays when you upgrade them with these drivability components. So I'm going to do a full walk around the car, and then we'll be bringing it to market. I sell most of my vehicles on Bring a Trailer. Great chance this is going to end up on Bring a Trailer, so keep an eye out for the site on Bring a Trailer for this particular E-Bird. With that, I'll do a full walk around. I'm going to swing us over to the front here. So it's riding on Coker tires. These are not original Kelsey Hayes wheels. They are Coker laced wheels, but they look fantastic. This particular car was purchased by a good client of mine's brother in the mid-'80s, I believe in 1984, if I recall. It's originally Thunderbird bronze, which I happen to absolutely adore that color, but this looks striking in this silver metallic nonetheless. So not too long ago, full restoration was commenced. So it's been in the same family since about in 1984. The gentleman who did the paint and body work, he's been a paint and body man for almost 50 years here in Metro Detroit. So, I mean, this thing is just razor sharp, not a wave in the body. Lots and lots of time spent on the prep and the paint and the chrome. The chrome is just fabulous, just glistens. Not an imperfection in it. Hope I'm not going too fast, but this paint is just flawless, so just wanted to give a good in-depth showing of it. So I was mentioning a little earlier, this is a leather interior, all black leather dash, I-Did-It steering column. It's got vintage air. It's got a retro sounds radio, 3-speed automatic. We'll pop inside and take a closer look. So show you the inner jams. It's very well done. Obviously not the original steering wheel, but kind of goes with the Jet Age theme here from when the car was designed. Looks pretty cool to me. Great fit and finish on the panels. Actually, let me grab the key so we can turn the power on and show you the odometer. Demonstrate the tilt wheel here if I can. One position. You can tilt it all the way up if you want. Turn the power on. I got the right key. There we go. So odometer gauges. Radio's working. Down for a minute. 235 miles on the odometer since completion. All the gauges work. Let's pop the hood, see what we got going on under there. So being an E-Bird, it is not currently running the dual quad setup. However, one is included, an Edelbrock system, not an original Ford E-Bird setup. You know, and I obviously asked why it wasn't completed with the original setup, being a dual quad. Cost. Gentlemen did not want to invest the big dollars it takes these days to get an original dual quad setup with the intake manifold. And for drivability, he decided to go with a single carb. This is a Holly, but this is a real deal E-Bird. And then Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold setup for dual quads is included in the sale, which should be photographed in the pictures. So if you're looking for an E-Bird and you have a dual quad setup in your garage or in your shop, this is probably the bird for you. Pop that on there and off you go. But the fit and finish, I mean, just everything is well done. Aluminum radiator. Down there you can see the power rack. And I'll show it on the other side as well. Chromed alternator. I'll get some zoom in here on the plate for us. Power brakes, power steering. There's the rack again. Drives fantastic. I took it out on the road today. It's amazing how much better these drive with a little upgrade to the steering and the brakes. Just fantastic to drive now. They were fantastic to drive originally, but it just makes it more fun and usable out in daily traffic. And shut the hood here. Didn't shut it hard enough. There we go. So there you go. Fantastic Thunderbird 57 E-Code. Be bringing it to market. For full details and a full write-up, head over to my website, vintiquemotors.biz. We'll have a full write-up of the car, well over 150 photos. Before I let you go here, I want to show you the convertible top. Comes with the rack for storage. This is the best part. The underside has a suede headliner. So this is all suede, beautiful stitching. Porthole like it should for a 57. All the glass is in fantastic shape. I mean, this is frame off restoration. Like I said, every nut and bolt was touched and made sure it was perfect. So there you go. Fantastic E-Bird coming to market here shortly at Vintique Motors.